Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Hightail. By the way, what is Hightail? Hightail is a cloud-based file sharing and collaboration tool designed to help teams securely share large files, track their progress, and gather feedback. Whether you're sending high-resolution images, videos, or other large files, Hightail allows you to do it quickly and securely. You can send files up to 100 gig in size with real-time collaboration, so you'll be able to work on projects, share feedback, and track changes. You can also see who has viewed your file, when they viewed it, and what actions they have taken. You'll also be able to secure all of your files using Hightail's encrypted feature, ensuring that they are secure during transfer. So the first thing you want to do once on hightail.com, you're going to tap on Start Free Trial. After you have done that, you'll be prompted to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you can tap on Sign In, for example. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And let me sign in real quick, and then we can continue with the tutorial. So you'll enter your email address and password. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Sign In with email. Once you have signed in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, what I want you to do next, there are a few things you could do. The first one is you could add in team members, so you can tap on Add Team Members. And from there, you can add their name and email address, and you could invite the team members, as you can see right there. So that's one option that I would definitely recommend that you do from early out. After doing that, there are a few things that I also want to show you about Hightail, and this is going to be a quick tutorial. The first thing you can do is go over to the left hand section, and you could tap right where you see the plus below File Transfer. From there, you could input the person's email address that you would like to send it to, and then from there you could add a subject, message, and you can upload your file. And you can see that with Hightail, you can either upload it from your computer, you could choose to upload it from Core, Google Drive, Dropbox, or you could use OneDrive. So there are numerous options you can use to integrate your file with Hightail. After you have done that, these are the standout features when it comes onto Hightail. For example, you can protect your file with an access code. You can verify recipient identity, and you can also allow comments. You can prevent file downloads, and you can get a download receipt. So by getting a download receipt, that means that you'll get a notification whenever someone has downloaded the file. So this is one of the major standout features when it comes on to Hightail compared to platforms like Google Drive. And you can also choose when the file link will expire. So you can set it for 30 days, better yet. You can set it to never expire, or you can set it to expire the day after they have received it or the same day, as you can see right here. So these are the standout features when it comes onto Hightail. When you go back to your dashboard, you will be able to tap on Activity, and this is where you'll be able to see all of the persons that have accessed your file. You can also do follow-ups. So for example sake, if you have sent a file and someone made a comment and sent it back to you, this is where you'll be able to do follow-ups, and you can continue with your collaboration process. You can also see where you have been mentioned, and you can also see any to-do lists that you have been added to. And talking about to-do lists, to create a to-do list, you'll go over to the right-hand menu option, right where you see My To-Do List, and you can tap on the plus. And from there, you could enter in an assignment, and then you can enter in the details. You could also ask for follow-up from another team member, and you could add the team member right there, and you can select when the task will be due, and you could also set up a reminder, and you can tap on Create To-Do. And if you would like to view the to-do lists that you have been added to, you can tap right where you see My To-Do List, then you can tap on Assign By, and you'll be able to see it. And that's basically it when it comes on to Hightail. This is a platform that I would definitely recommend to persons that tend to share files often, and you want your files to be secured, and you also want to have some form of paper trail to see when someone has received the file and what they have done with the file. Instead of just sharing it in general like using platforms like Google Drive, this is a more advanced option. So I would definitely recommend you give it a try. And that's it. Hope you have learned something new on how to set up and use Hightail to share large files, collaborate with clients and team members, and track file views and feedback. Whether you're running a design agency or any other form of business, Hightail is a powerful tool for managing your projects securely and efficiently. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section, and thank you for watching.